So once you've lightly blocked in the main areas, you then want to start building up the detail. I'm going to start using small little brush marks and flick the paintbrush to build up areas of texture on the bird's feather. Notice how I'm leaving white gaps in between some of my brush marks. I'm not going too heavy with the paintbrush. I'm also following the line or the shape of the bird's head, so I'm curving it around. Now you notice that my first brush mark was a little bit too dark. If that happens, again, don't worry. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to build up a little bit more of that blue around it. So again, light, gentle flicks of the brush. Again, what you might want to do is you might want to test out your blue on a scrap piece of paper just to check how dark it is. So if I was using my piece of paper, I might just get a little bit of the excess of the blue off my brush before I then start placing the blue onto my painting.